Hello and welcome to Mailtrap videos, where we explore the world of emails. In this video, we'll cover sending emails in Windows PowerShell using an SMTP service. PowerShell is a cross-platform task automation solution that allows you to send emails using multiple methods. The method we'll focus on in this video is sending via SMTP, which is also the simplest method. To learn how to send via an API or Gmail SMTP, watch the other videos on our channel. We'll start off by writing a one-line script based on the send mail message commandlet. In the script, we'll specify the recipient's email address, the sender's email address, the subject line, as well as the body or the main content of the email message. To prompt the email sender to enter their SMTP service credentials within the same script, we'll use the getCredential commandlet. After that, we'll specify the SMTP server, which in our case will be the one offered by Mailtrap email sending, as well as the port and the usage of the SSL protocol. With the script fully written, we can proceed and execute it. Upon initiating the execution, a dialog box will appear asking for the username and password required by the SMTP server. Once the right credentials are entered, the script will be fully executed, and the email should arrive in the recipient's inbox. In our previous example, we used PowerShell to send a plain text email. Now we'll take things to the next level by sending an HTML message with an attachment. First, we define the email elements, which include the sender's email address, the recipient's email address, and the CC recipient's email address if necessary. Next, we define the attachment by assigning the file location string to the attachment variable. In our case, this attachment will be a JPEG file. After that, we define the email subject and body. For the email body, we'll use HTML code we prepared in advance. And for the SMTP server, we'll again use the one from Mailtrap and port number 587. With the elements defined, we can proceed to write the same send mail message commandlet, only this time, instead of values for the commandlet parameters, we can just put the names of the variables representing email elements. Within the commandlet, we can also specify that the email body should be interpreted as HTML, using the body as HTML parameter, as well as specify the SMTP server, port, and the usage of the SSL protocol. To prompt the email sender to enter their SMTP service credentials, we'll again use the getCredential commandlet. And for the attachment, we'll simply assign it the value of the attachment variable. To send the HTML email, we'll execute the send mail message commandlet and enter the credentials when prompted, just like we did for the plain text email. Once that's done, the email should be in the recipient's inbox. With that, we wrap up this tutorial on sending emails in PowerShell using SMTP. To learn how to send via API, Gmail SMTP, or test your emails prior to sending, give our other videos a watch. You can find the links in the description. Thank you for watching this video brought to you by Mailtrap, an email delivery platform to test, send, and control your email infrastructure in one place. Like and share this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications to see more tutorials like this one. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more useful content on email deliverability. See you in the next one.